Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to this channel. So guys, I know a lot of us, if not all of us, we are all looking for freelance work, which is very hard to come by at this time. So now, apart from the normal ways of looking for work, i.e., applying on Upwork, on Reddit, on freelancer.com, doing pitching and all that. A friend of mine has shown me another way of finding freelance work, and that is what I'm going to share with you on this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learn something. And I hope you comment down below and let me know if you have tried this or not, if you're going to try it or not. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, motherhood, and anything in between. If that is the kind of content you are looking for, just remember to subscribe, okay? Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So now, guys, what I want to share with you is it's called Slack communities. I didn't even know that there was such a thing as Slack communities. I know Slack because as a tool for for maybe assigning work and such things, but I didn't know there was there were communities. So now you can find work from Slack communities. What you need to do to get freelance work from these groups is that you'll go to Google and then type in big, you'll type in big content marketing Slack communities. Big content marketing Slack communities is what you will type in the search bar, and then it will populate, of course, several results. Just click on one of them, then go and read about the different kinds of communities that we have. Remember, all of them are different, and some are good, some are not good, especially now that we, even as a freelance writer, we have different niches, So now read and confirm that it has freelance jobs that pertain to your kind of experience or your line of work. Whether you are a writer, whether you are a transcriptionist, whether you are a writer who does product descriptions, whether you do SEO writing. So choose one that is appropriate for you. And then the best thing about these lists is that each one of them will have a way of signing up. So just simply follow the instructions to sign up, and from there you can start applying to different jobs according to your experience, according to whatever you want to do. So now, guys, that's it. Just that's it. It was as simple as that. It was such a short video. I hope you can try out this and let me know in the comment section how it goes. I hope I have helped in some way. I actually got a job from by doing this. It's only that that client was paying so little, I had to end the contract. But I will continue to look for another client through these means, and maybe later on I can share my experience. But now, if you want to join me so that we can do this together, feel free. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. If you haven't done it already, please do so. Click the notification bell and let me see you in the next video. Bye.